You can do this. It's just ordering lunch. You've taken French for 12 years. You got this.
Good day, madame. How can I help you?
How does she know I can speak English? Whatever.
Désolé, je voudrais pratiquer mon français aujourd'hui, s'il vous plaît. Are you sure? It's okay, I can speak in English. Oui, en français, s'il vous plaît. As you wish, madame. Alors, qu'en chanty que Mélicoré font chantant, j'aurai?
Oh my God, what did she just say? There wasn't one part of that I understood.
Madame, désolé. Répétez, s'il vous plaît. Oui, madame. Bon chanty que Mélicoré, j'aurai fauchement?
Not again. She probably just wants your order, right?
Je voudrais un croque-monsieur. D'accord. Où donc je remets?
How can I not understand anything? Maybe she wants my drink order?
Un coca, s'il vous plaît. We can speak English. Anglais it is.